Hello, Story Scrolls viewers. In today's video, we'll be focusing on the most powerful and influential gods of Greek mythology. These 12 gods who reigned over Mount Olympus have not only shaped the ancient world, but have also become the cornerstone of modern culture. Their stories, powers, and symbols have inspired artists, writers, and thinkers for thousands of years. Let's dive in and get to know these legendary gods more closely. Zeus, known as the most powerful god in Greek mythology, is the god of the sky and thunder. He is the king of Mount Olympus and the leader of the gods. After overthrowing his father, Cronus, Zeus became the head of the gods. Cronus was known for swallowing his children because of a prophecy that one of them would overthrow him. However, Zeus was saved by his mother, Rhea, and later led a war against his father, known as the Titanomachy. After his victory, Zeus began to reign on Olympus. He is known as the protector of justice and order. He is also the father of many legendary figures, including heroes like Hercules and Perseus. Zeus's symbols include the thunderbolt, eagle, and oak tree. He is also revered as the god of hospitality, and therefore, treating guests well is of great importance in Greek culture. Hera, the wife and sister of Zeus, is the goddess of marriage and family. Known as the Queen of the Olympian goddesses, she is the protector of women, especially married women. Hera is famous for her jealousy and vengefulness, particularly in response to Zeus's infidelities. In mythology, Hera's children with Zeus include Ares, the god of war, Hebe, the goddess of youth, and Hephaestus, the god of craftsmanship. One of Hera's well-known jealousy stories is her targeting of Hercules, the son of Zeus. Hercules faced great challenges from birth due to Hera's wrath. Hera's symbols include the peacock, cow, and pomegranate. The peacock is considered a symbol of Hera's beauty and pride, representing her majesty as a goddess. Poseidon, the god of the seas, is also the god of earthquakes and horses. He is the brother of Zeus and one of the three major Olympian gods. Poseidon is known for his trident, a three-pronged spear with which he controls the seas, creates storms, and causes earthquakes. He is the protector of sailors and fishermen. Poseidon's wrath was considered a significant threat, especially to those traveling by sea. One of Poseidon's most famous myths is his grudge against Odysseus, which made Odysseus's journey home difficult. This myth is told in the epic Odyssey. Additionally, Poseidon is said to have been the god of the Atlanteans and to have destroyed them with a great catastrophe. His symbols include the horse, dolphin, and trident. Demeter, the goddess of agriculture, fertility, and harvest, is the deity who ensures the growth of crops, essential for human survival. She is the sister of Zeus and the mother of Persephone. Demeter's most significant myth is the abduction of her daughter, Persephone, by Hades, the god of the underworld. This event is known as the myth explaining the creation of the seasons. Grieving over the loss of Persephone, Demeter causes the earth to become barren, leading to famine. However, with Zeus's intervention, Persephone spends half of the year in the underworld and the other half with her mother. This story symbolizes the change of seasons and the cycle of nature. Demeter's symbols include sheaves of wheat, the torch, and the pig. Athena, the goddess of wisdom, war, and crafts, was born fully armored from the head of Zeus. She is one of the most revered goddesses of Olympus and the protector of many cities, especially Athens. Athena combines the strategic aspect of war with wisdom and justice. In mythology, Athena assisted Perseus in beheading Medusa and guided Odysseus during the Trojan War, becoming a symbol of just war and craftsmanship. Athena's olive branch represents peace and victory, while the owl symbolizes wisdom and intelligence. The Parthenon Temple was built in her honor and is considered one of the greatest works of ancient Greek architecture. Apollo, the god of the sun, music, poetry, art, prophecy, and healing, is the son of Zeus and Leto. He is known as the god of light and truth. Apollo is also a master archer and has the power to heal diseases. His most famous temple is the Temple of Apollo at Delphi, where oracles were delivered through priestesses with the ability to see the future. One of Apollo's significant myths is his unrequited love for a nymph named Daphne. As Daphne fled from Apollo's advances, her father turned her into a laurel tree. Hence, the laurel tree became a symbol of Apollo. His symbols include the sun, lyre, and laurel tree. Additionally, Apollo was believed to drive a chariot that carried the sun across the sky. Artemis, the goddess of the moon, hunting, wilderness, and childbirth, is the twin sister of Apollo and the daughter of Zeus and Leto. She is known as the protector of nature and animals, and is also the goddess of virginity. Artemis is often depicted hunting in the forests and is symbolized by a bow, arrow, and crescent-shaped crown. In mythology, her relationship with a hunter named Orion highlights Artemis's dedication to independence and freedom. Additionally, the Great Temple of Artemis at Ephesus is considered one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Artemis's loyalty as a goddess has made her a strong and independent figure in many myths. Her symbols include the bow and arrow, deer, and crescent moon. Ares, the god of war, is the son of Zeus and Hera. He represents the chaotic and destructive aspects of war. Ares is known for his violence, anger, and chaos on the battlefield, making him a less favored god among the Greeks. However, he was respected in situations where war was inevitable. One of Ares' most famous myths is his forbidden love affair with Aphrodite. Their children include Eros, the god of love, and Harmonia, the goddess of harmony. Ares' symbols include the shield, spear, and wild boar. Additionally, Phobos and Deimos, the gods of fear and terror, accompany Ares in his war chariot. Hephaestus, the god of fire and blacksmithing, is the son of Zeus and Hera and is known as the protector of artisans in Greek mythology. Hephaestus is a master craftsman who creates weapons and armor for the gods on Olympus. He is also the husband of the beautiful goddess Aphrodite. In mythology, Hephaestus is often depicted as a physically imperfect god, but his craftsmanship earns him great respect among the gods. Hephaestus is also known for his story of being cast out of Olympus by his mother Hera due to his deformity. Despite this, he honed his craft and returned to take his place among the gods. His symbols include the anvil and the hammer. Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty, was born from sea foam and is the symbol of charm and allure in Greek mythology. Aphrodite represents love, passion, and desire. In mythology, Aphrodite's beauty captivates many gods and mortals. One of her most famous stories is the Golden Apple incident, which played a crucial role in the outbreak of the Trojan War. When Paris, a prince, was asked to choose the most beautiful goddess, Aphrodite promised him the most beautiful woman in the world, Helen. This promise was one of the events that sparked the Trojan War. Her symbols include the dove, the rose, and the seashell. Additionally, as the goddess of beauty and love, she has been a source of inspiration for many poems, paintings, and sculptures. Hermes, the messenger god, is also the god of commerce, theft, travelers, and boundaries. He is the son of Zeus and Maia, and is known for his winged sandals. Hermes is a swift and agile god who carries messages among the gods. He also has the responsibility of guiding the souls of the dead to the underworld. In mythology, Hermes' cunning and intelligence are frequently highlighted. Shortly after his birth, he stole a cow and was still admired among the gods for his cleverness. Hermes' symbols include the winged sandals, caduceus, winged staff, and tortoise shell. Hermes is also known as the god of trade and diplomacy, and is considered the protector of merchants, thieves, and travelers. Dionysus, the god of wine, revelry, and theater, is the son of Zeus and Semele. He is the youngest among the Olympian gods, and is often associated with wine, dance, and festivities. Dionysus is also considered the god of ecstasy and celebration. In mythology, the birth and adventures of Dionysus are quite remarkable. When his mother, Semele, wished to see Zeus in his true form, she was struck by Zeus's lightning and perished. However, Zeus took the unborn Dionysus and carried him in his thigh until he was born. Dionysus later grew up to join the gods. His symbols include grape clusters, a wine cup, and ivy. Additionally, festivals and rituals dedicated to Dionysus held great importance in ancient Greece, and these celebrations contributed to the birth of theater. In today's video, we explored the 12 great gods of Greek mythology and took a closer look at their stories, symbols, and powers. I hope you've gained new insights into these legendary figures and taken another step into the fascinating world of mythology. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay with us to discover more myths and stories in future videos. Take care, and let the magic of mythology enchant you.